In this tutorial, we're going to see how to use Google Fi wireless. Firstly, on your new device, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This will ensure a smooth setup. If you're new to Google Fi, head to fi.google.com to sign up. Once registered, download the Google Fi app from the same site. Open the Google Fi app and sign in with your Google account. If you already have the app, make sure it's the latest version. If you're using a physical SIM card, insert it following your phone manufacturer's instructions. If you're using an eSIM, Google Fi will help you through the process. For other devices, check if your phone supports eSIM. Now follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. If you have multiple Google accounts on your device, ensure that the Google Fi account is set as the admin or owner account. Once the setup is complete, restart your phone. If prompted for updates, follow these steps and return to the app afterward. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.